Nike Air Max SC in-foot review. Miami Wave colorways. Very nice, very comfortable shoe. As you can see, I can move my toes around. These are 10.5 size. Very super duper comfortable. Very affordable shoe as well. You could get a pair of these under 120 to be exact. I'll leave the link of these shoes in the description as well below, as I normally do, so you can get a pair yourself if you want to look fly for the summer. But those are definitely cool. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Standerman here with a Nike box. This Nike box actually is the Nike Air Max SC. The Nike Air Max SC is the imitation of Nike Air Max 1. Those are actually a little cheaper and much more affordable. And they're very cool looking shoes. They look almost identical with a few differences from the Air Max 1. But let me actually get into the box and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. These are actually the shoes in question. And as you can see here, this shoe is the Miami Vice gray and teal black white look. Very comfortable shoe, very good looking shoe. The side, speaks for itself. You could tell right there. Very quality leather too on the side of it. For an affordable shoe, you can get these shoes for under 120 bucks to be exact. This is the back. It has the Nike Air sign on it, and the bubble is a little bit wider than the Nike Air Max 1. It's a little wider and bigger too than the Nike Air Max 1. Even the soles are also a little bit different than the Nike Air Max 1 as well. But those are super comfortable. You can't go wrong with these shoes. As you can see, I've worn them quite a lot, and I wanted to do a review on these also, just so you can give you guys a good inclination on how good these shoes are. And if you're interested in getting you a cool looking summer shoe, different colorways and things of that nature, there's multiple available as well. Yeah, you can't go wrong with these sneakers at all, especially in the summertime when you're looking for a low top sneaker to actually walk around or, parade the city in. These are actually perfect for that. Obviously, like I mentioned before, there's different colorways. I'm also gonna leave the link of this actual shoe in the description box below. If you have any comments, feel free to put them down below as well. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you do have pertaining to these shoes, but they are super comfortable. The inside of them, let me take the paper out, is teal. It's the same color as the outside of the shoe, the Miami Dolphins colorway, so to speak. I'm not a Dolphin fan, as you guys know. I'm a New York Jets fan, but I had a couple outfits that actually fit the look that I was looking for, and this shoe actually, was perfect for it, affordable. That's why I went and got this shoe. But I was pleasantly surprised and very happy with it, with the shoe in itself. So that's why I actually wore it quite a lot, to be honest with you. So that's the inside of it. Super comfortable. The sole inside is actually super soft for the price that you're paying. And normally Nike doesn't make comfortable shoes like this anymore, but this one is actually an exception to the rule, I've found. So that's why I wanted to actually showcase this to you guys after probably having it for the past 5-6 months. But I'm gonna leave, like I said, the link will be in the description below on where you can get these shoes. And let me actually put it up there so you guys can view it. The laces in themselves are the same color as the top sole, which is the grayish type color here. And you could change the lace colors as well. You could buy whatever laces you want, whatever color laces you want. In this case, it probably would be teal laces to match it, to make it look better. I just haven't had time to do that just yet. But yeah, like I said, man, oh man, I am presently pleased with these, very happy with these as well. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with these shoes whatsoever. You can get a pair under 120 bucks to be exact, and that's very cheap for imitation Nikes nowadays in this damn inflation. So, like I said, if you're interested in a pair, the link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Any comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Peace.